from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with two Swedish people. Now, my dad came from Sweden, so I just wanted to tell that. Okay, what are your names?
Nerina.
And David.
David. Now, you guys have been down here for how long?
Just over a week.
About a week?
1 week, yes.
Okay, now, what brought you here?
Watching your videos on Facebook and on YouTube, and health problems really.
That's always me.
Okay, now, if you're okay with sharing some of those problems, it's just, brother, there's so many people out there that are hurt. And you know.
I know a lot out there hurting.
I know. And a lot of them, they're taking methotrexate or drugs or steroids or this or that.
Yeah, me. Yeah, many years. Because I have the systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE, lupus, the aggressive type. So I've been on medications for 30 years. Chemotherapy, steroids, strong painkillers.
Okay, so if you're diagnosed with a disease, now understand lupus. Okay, now I've spoken to the Lupus Foundation in Colorado, and when you look at this, 10 people with lupus, do they all have the same symptoms? No. Do they all have the same history? No. We're talking a mountain climber, okay? Strong as hell. But 30 years of medications to treat symptoms of adaptation, I don't know. That doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense, no.
Okay, now, the week you've been here, we've done a bunch of tests. Blood analysis, x-ray scans, everything.
Yes.
Did you learn some cool stuff?
Lots of stuff.
I know.
Lots of good stuff, yes.
Okay, have you noticed a difference in last week?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. So, I'm walking better. I'm walking differently because of the adjustments, which is good. And with all the with the IVs of the detox, I'm feeling a lot more stronger.
And the cool thing, the weird thing, okay, we put you on heavy weight exercises to open up the joint.
Yes.
And that may seem crazy when your joints are distorted and painful and everything else. But if you extend them, okay, they're going to create a negative pressure. It'll cause fluid to flow in there because all the joints are hydraulic. Okay, and then when you move them slightly, it turns out that if you move joints, they're healthier. I know, duh. Okay. But the biggest thing is, 30 years of drugs. Because, you're going to the best doctors in the world, and they have no clue that your body's adapting. What could you tell someone that is you guys are independent, okay? Nobody is in a system for 30 years, okay? And I've talked to a number of people that have been that, and most of them say they're just sick and tired of being sick and tired, Yeah. I know, it's like everybody says that. What could you tell someone to tell them that you're made in the image and likeness of God? Your body is smart, and it's designed to heal.
Yes. I agree with that. Our body's it's a biological machine. It works. Just got to give it what it needs, give it the treatments that it needs, healthy treatments, and it will do the rest for you.
Brilliant. Wait, drug deficiency isn't one of those needs? Okay, I know. Sarcasm is a pain in the ass. I know.
It's very funny, actually.
I know. It's just, you're designed to heal. God, it takes so much courage.
Yeah.
Honest to God, because it's so easy to just say, screw it, I'm done. And, give me some more drugs and just let me lay on the couch.
Yeah. What we appreciate is that by watching your videos, you help us and gave us the courage to question whoever they are. If it's the doctor or some question, why am I taking this? What is this going to do for me? And not be like intimidated.
Yeah. Yes. Because they've got a big building, they got a white jacket, they're scary, and you need to take this or you'll die. They're not real pleasant. They're not saying that this is going to help heal, this is going to regenerate.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the key, man. Get that deep inner courage. Ask what this is doing. Ask where it comes from. And if they say idiopathic, we just don't know. Okay, come on. Okay, fire that doctor and find somebody that knows that most diseases are adaptations to stress. That includes lupus, it includes type 2 diabetes, it includes high blood pressure, includes bowel disorders. Okay, and if you say, no, my bowel disorder is hereditary. Okay, name 5 members of your family that don't have it.
Yeah.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
do you have anything else to, I mean, you're already inspiring me.
Well, we can say that it was very easy to get here. Very easy to get here. We flew from Gothenburg by Heathrow to San Diego, got to San Diego, and then the clinic took over. They picked us up, took us here.
Oh, no, we
Smooth.
picked you up at the San Diego airport?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. It's good. It's so smooth. So smooth.
Okay, and they came from Sweden. I think if you go any further, you're on the other side of the earth and you got to come back around the other side. Okay, I'm good at anatomy, not good at geography. And our relatives, I mean, I only know a few Swedish words. Svenska pojke, svenska flicka. Okay, that's it. That's all I know.
What about the song that you sang?
Do the song. Do the song. He can sing the song.
I
do
do
the song.
My dad taught me a song. Guba Noa, vasen Hillesman. Nera Nicky Arkin, planta sig på marken. I know I'm just... I know I'm not saying that right. I know there's Swedish people out there going, God, it's horrible. No, my dad died when I was 14. Okay, he taught me when I was 8. What do I know?
And everything is imprinted in your mind. I'm surprised you don't remember it. Other than that.
It was not a good friend.
Oh.
No, it's very good. We can understand every word he says.
Yes.
Wow. Thank God. And I know your hearing's getting better. Take charge, take care of yourself, and don't accept a terminal diagnosis. Your body is constantly regenerating.
Yeah. Thank you.
God bless you.